Finding the perfect holiday gift is tough. You want something that'll actually get used, not just collect dust in a closet, something that creates real memories. This year, drones are crushing it in the gift department, and for good reason. They're not just flying cameras anymore. They're memory-making machines that turn ordinary family moments into cinematic experiences. From capturing your neighborhood's holiday lights from breathtaking angles to documenting winter adventures that'll live forever on your camera roll, the right drone can completely transform how you experience the holidays. Welcome to Top Tech Now, where we cut through the noise to help you make smart tech choices. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best drones you can gift or treat yourself to this holiday season. We've picked options that cover every budget and skill level, from first-time flyers to seasoned pilots looking for their next upgrade. And here's the best part. All product links with the best prices we could find are sitting right down in the description so you can skip the research and get straight to shopping. Whether you're shopping for a beginner who's never touched a controller or a professional ready for the latest and greatest, there's something here that'll make this holiday season truly unforgettable. Let's dive in. If you want a drone that packs professional-grade features into a pocket-sized package without weighing down your holiday budget, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an absolute game-changer. This is DJI's latest release just in time for the holidays, and it's making serious waves as the world's first sub-250-gram drone with a full 1-inch sensor. The same camera tech you'll find in drones costing twice as much. It's revolutionary for capturing holiday magic. And trust me, this newest addition to the Mini lineup is exactly what drone enthusiasts have been waiting for this season. Here's what makes this special. That 1-inch sensor captures stunning low-light footage, which means those golden hour family photos and twinkling evening light displays look absolutely incredible. You're shooting up to 60 frames per second with HDR and 10-bit color depth that gives you 14 stops of dynamic range. Basically, it captures every detail from the brightest snow-covered hills to the deepest shadows under your decorated porch. The footage is so good, you'll wonder how something this small can compete with drones 3 times its size. The new 225-degree gimbal rotation opens up creative possibilities that were impossible before. You can tilt, pan, and roll the camera in ways that add cinematic flair to your holiday videos. True vertical shooting is built right in, so your social media content is ready to post without any awkward cropping. And here's a neat trick. There's a 2x medium telephoto mode that lets you zoom in on distant subjects with 0 quality loss. Perfect for capturing candid moments of kids sledding or relatives arriving for the big celebration. What really sets this apart is the forward-facing LiDAR sensor combined with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This means the drone sees obstacles even in low light, those magical twilight hours when holiday lights start twinkling, but it's not quite dark yet. The smart return to home feature works even without GPS signals, using visual positioning to remember its way back, which is incredibly reassuring when flying around neighborhoods with decorations everywhere. Battery life gives you well over half an hour in the air, plenty of time to capture everything from decorating the tree to building snowmen. The drone automatically powers on when you unfold it and powers off when you close it. Little conveniences that make holiday flying effortless. Plus, 42 gigabytes of internal storage means you won't run out of space at the worst possible moment. In gusty winter conditions, this lightweight design can get pushed around a bit, but the wind resistance is surprisingly good for something weighing less than a candy bar. This is hands down the best drone for most people because it delivers professional results in a package that fits in your coat pocket with no FAA registration needed for recreational flyers. It's the holiday gift that turns every family gathering into a production-worthy event. Next up, we have the Potensic Atom 2. Proof that you don't need to empty your bank account to capture gorgeous holiday footage. At less than half the cost of premium options, this is the perfect gift for someone who's been eyeing drones but hesitant to make the leap into expensive territory. Don't let the price fool you. The Atom 2 delivers serious performance with its Sony sensor that captures crisp footage and high-resolution photos worthy of your holiday cards. The 3-axis gimbal keeps everything smooth, whether you're filming kids opening presents or documenting your neighborhood's light displays from above. This drone stays aloft for over half an hour, giving you plenty of flight time to experiment and nail those perfect shots. The transmission system keeps you connected from impressive distances, and the redesigned controller makes extended holiday flying sessions comfortable. Here's where it gets fun. AI tracking modes automatically follow subjects. Imagine capturing yourself carrying that massive Christmas tree from the car, or following the kids as they race down snowy hills, all hands-free. Quick shots include creative moves like the dolly zoom effect that adds Hollywood-style drama to your holiday footage. Vertical shooting is built right in, so your content is ready for all your favorite platforms. The app is surprisingly polished, and HDR support helps you capture those tricky lighting situations when the winter sun is setting while indoor lights are competing for attention. It's intuitive enough for Christmas morning first flights, but capable enough to grow with someone's skills throughout the year. Without collision avoidance sensors, you'll need to fly with a bit more caution around obstacles. But for open areas like parks, beaches, or your backyard holiday gatherings, it performs beautifully. This drone is best for budget-conscious gift givers who want serious quality without the premium price tag. It's proof that capturing stunning holiday memories doesn't require maxing out your credit card. Then we have the absolute king of the sky, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is the drone you gift when you want jaws to drop on Christmas morning. It's the ultimate statement piece for serious creators, professionals, or anyone who refuses to compromise on quality. The triple camera system is where this drone dominates. The main Hasselblad camera captures images with resolution so high you could wallpaper your house with them, while two additional telephoto cameras give you the flexibility to frame everything from wide holiday landscapes to intimate portraits without moving an inch. The dynamic range captures every detail from bright snow to deep shadows in your holiday scenes, and the color science is simply stunning. Video capabilities reach 6K resolution with frame rates smooth enough for dramatic slow motion of snowflakes drifting or wrapping paper flying. The revolutionary Infinity gimbal rotates a full 360 degrees, enabling Dutch angles and creative perspectives that were physically impossible before. You can even tilt the camera significantly upward to capture the northern lights or New Year's fireworks without propellers sneaking into your shot. Flight time approaches an hour, and the transmission system keeps you connected from distances measured in miles. The obstacle avoidance system works even in near darkness thanks to advanced LiDAR technology, making it safe to fly during those magical twilight hours when holiday decorations really come alive. The smart return to home navigates complex environments and even remembers its flight path in areas without GPS signals. Active Track has been refined to follow moving vehicles smoothly, perfect for capturing holiday road trips or tracking family members arriving for the celebration. The charging system is brilliant too, intelligently managing multiple batteries so you're always ready to fly. The only consideration? It's bigger and heavier, requiring more careful transport and additional registration. But for what you get, it's worth every consideration. This drone is best for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the absolute best because it delivers capabilities that simply aren't available anywhere else at this price point. It's the gift that says your creativity matters this holiday season. Before we reveal our final two picks, here's a quick reminder. If any of these drones have caught your eye for your holiday shopping list, head down to the description right now. We've linked every single one with the best prices we could find because we know holiday deals move fast. And if you're finding this helpful for your gift-giving decisions, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss our recommendations. Your wallet will thank you. Now let's get back to it with something completely different. The DJI Avata 2 transforms flying into an immersive first-person experience unlike anything else. This is for the thrill seeker on your holiday list. The person who doesn't just want to fly a drone, but wants to feel like they're actually soaring through the air. Here's what makes this special. You wear goggles that put you directly in the pilot's seat with a view that's absolutely exhilarating. The built-in propeller guards mean you can fly confidently through tighter spaces, weaving between holiday decorations, zipping through your backyard, or even navigating indoor spaces during those cold winter months when outside flying isn't appealing. The camera captures gorgeous wide-angle footage that makes everything feel more dynamic and immersive. You're shooting at high frame rates that look incredibly smooth, with slow-motion modes perfect for capturing dramatic holiday moments in stunning detail. Flight controls are brilliantly intuitive thanks to the motion controller, You literally just move your hand and the drone follows. Easy acro mode lets you perform professional-looking flips, rolls, and drifts without years of practice. It's like having cheat codes for aerial acrobatics, making anyone look like a pro at their holiday party. The goggles include pass-through cameras that let you see your real surroundings with a quick double tap. Super handy for checking on things without taking the goggles off. Battery life gives you enough time for multiple flights during holiday events, and turtle mode means if you crash upside down, you can flip yourself over remotely without walking over to retrieve it. The goggle fit isn't perfect for everyone, and folks with certain vision needs might need additional lens inserts. But once you're dialed in, it's an experience unlike traditional drone flying. This drone is best for FPV enthusiasts and adventurous gift recipients because it offers a completely unique flying experience that makes every flight feel like an action movie. It's the gift that delivers pure adrenaline this holiday season. And finally, we're wrapping up our holiday drone guide with the DJI Air 3S, the drone that truly does it all. This is the perfect middle ground, sitting between portable and powerful, affordable and feature-packed. It's the gift that makes sense for the widest range of people on your holiday list. The dual camera system gives you incredible versatility. A main camera with a large 1-inch sensor that captures stunning detail and dynamic range. Plus, a telephoto camera for getting closer to distant subjects without actually flying closer. Both shoot in formats that give you tons of room to adjust colors and exposure, perfect for creating those picture-perfect holiday memories. Video quality is exceptional, with frame rates high enough for smooth footage or dramatic slow motion. The dynamic range captures everything from bright snow-covered landscapes to the warm glow of holiday lights without losing detail. Vertical shooting is built in, so your holiday content is ready for all your social platforms immediately. What really sets this apart is the safety technology. The forward-facing LiDAR sensor means obstacle avoidance works even in low light, those magical dusk hours when holiday decorations really shine. The smart return to home navigates around buildings and obstacles, giving you confidence when flying in complex urban neighborhoods filled with decorations. Flight time exceeds 40 minutes, meaning you can capture entire holiday events without constantly swapping batteries. The free panorama feature lets you create stunning wide shots of your decorated house or the whole family gathered outside. Subject focusing locks onto targets automatically, great for tracking kids running around during holiday chaos. One consideration, it's above the weight threshold for simplified regulations, but the features make registration worthwhile. This drone is best overall because it strikes the perfect balance between capability, portability, and price. It's the gift that makes anyone feel like a professional filmmaker this holiday season. And there you have it. 5 incredible drones that'll make this holiday season one to remember. From budget-friendly options to premium powerhouses, there's something here for everyone on your list. The best part? Every single one helps create memories that last long after the wrapping paper is recycled. Remember, all the links with current pricing are down in the description. We've done the legwork so you don't have to. Holiday deals move fast, so check them out before stock runs low. If this guide helped you nail down the perfect drone gift, hit that like button and subscribe to Top Tech Now for more tech recommendations that actually matter. From all of us here, happy holidays, happy flying, and we'll see you in the next one.